At the bottom of the hill, make a right. Continue straight ahead. At the next intersection, turn left. My name is Karen Jacobson, and I'm known as the only woman men will take directions from. My speaking voice ended up in over 1 billion GPS and smartphone devices giving directions to people around the world. You have reached your destination. Well, I'll take you right back to the beginning. I'm originally from Mackay, which is a town in North Queensland near Australia's Great Barrier Reef. I wanted to become a professional singer and move to America. And I did follow that dream to New York. And not long after I moved there was an audition, and a client was looking for a native Australian female voiceover artist living in the northeast of the United States